Welcome to a captivating journey where the brilliance of the animal kingdom takes center stage. From solving complex puzzles to showcasing ingenious problem-solving, these captivating clips reveal the brilliance within the animal kingdom. These remarkable instances shed light on the exceptional minds of our fellow creatures. Here is the list of the most intelligent animals genius caught on camera. This video of the talented animal genius playing against a human has been doing rounds for a couple of years. But it never fails to amuse because this is the smartest animal in sports to this day. This incredible animal genius is quite handy with the paddle and manages to get the ball over the net with deadly speed thanks to a pretty wicked backhand. It's only a 23-second clip, but it's so unbelievable that you could watch it over and over again without getting bored. Visitors at Zhengzhou Zoo in central China witnessed this amazing sight. The intelligent animal used a stone to break the glass wall of its enclosure. This animal genius had been sharpening the stone, then it started hitting it on the glass. At first the monkey was scared, but it came back to take another look and even touched the glass. Was the destruction simply by accident? Or was the smart animal only pretending to be scared so we wouldn't suspect its plans? Arnold the genius animal is a house pet and therefore he's pretty domesticated. But there's one thing he doesn't like, and that is the sound of vacuum cleaners. Arnold hates vacuum cleaners so much that he has learned how to unplug them from the wall. This makes house cleaning a difficult task for his owner. This evil genius is nearly 2 years old, so he's definitely in his mischievous phase of life. He lives with his piglings Pearl, Ruby, and Ollie. When you see Kiara just getting out there and setting up the ball for a spike, wagging her tail and anticipating the next chance she gets to touch the ball, it's just magical. We should pay attention to the childlike wonder that a dog can teach us. Sports are a great means to help us pass time and appreciate everything and everyone around. Now, with all the time in the world and no better way to spend it, this dog plays the game like we wish we could be playing right now. The internet full of moments of animal genius that show doggos helping their humans in every way possible. This video of a straight genius from the animal kingdom doing some gardening is a perfect addition to that category. The caption describes the amazing animal a dog named Secret planting potatoes. A later video shows her digging out the ready-to-harvest potatoes. How absolutely beautiful is this? The secret is to treat the potato as a treasure, someone commented. Can we teach them to bury their poop? Share your thoughts down below and check out these next geniuses. A tiny kitten couldn't bear to be separated from his friend, so he climbed through the opening of his enclosure and made it over to his next-door neighbor, a young puppy who was waiting on his tiptoes. These two furry friends came from a pet store in Taiwan. It must have taken the Scottish fold a lot of courage to make the escape to his neighbor, whom he had never met before. According to the owner of the store, the kitten and the puppy saw each other for the first time when they were placed in two adjacent enclosures. Some cats may climb trees for fun or just to improve their creeping abilities. One kitty has taken her skills to an entirely new level. Just like the suitor in the classic tale Rapunzel, a very tenacious tabby cat skillfully climbs a rope for fun. Cats are efficient climbers. When it comes to climbing up a vertical surface such as a tree, a cat's claws are perfect for providing the grip and leverage they need to get from bottom to top in a matter of seconds. Spotty, an Australian shepherd dog, has learned a number of neat tricks from owner Sophie. The one-year-old pooch goes with his strategy of taking the side of the board. He makes his first move by picking up a yellow disc and sliding it to the first column on his left. Sophie picks up a red disc and places it in the center. The dog is guarding his work to stop Sophie from putting a red disc on top of his column. Spotty tries to block the interference with his snout, but Sophie still manages to slide in her disc. There are a lot of things one can learn from animals, whether it's their sense of brotherhood, being empathetic, or just caring. This chimp and tortoise can teach everyone a lesson on sharing. The video of the two beings from completely different species will give you a sense of calm in an otherwise complex environment. The clip shows a chimpanzee eating an apple. However, after a few bites, it starts feeding the apple to the tortoise near him. The heartwarming scene between the two is melting netizens' hearts. In the video, two Malagasy children interact gently with a ring-tailed lemur named Sifo. But Sifo isn't able to move, eat, rest, or groom with his social group, and this is one reason why the video concerns primate scientists. Lemur expert Marnie Lafleur of the University of California, San Diego explained lemurs like Cepho, when taken from their natural habitats, have poor quality lives as they are alone in the human world and unable to survive in the lemur world. Don't go anywhere, cause these other geniuses are about to make your day. Samson Lee went to see some bears with his friend Kaylee and captured an amazing moment of this animal genius that will amaze you. After stopping at the Olympic Game Farm in Washington, they saw a fairly chilled out bear sitting in the paddock, so they waved at the. Much to their surprise, and after a bit of a pause, this most intelligent animal waved back. The pair are heard excitedly laughing in this funny video clip as Kaylee then throws out some bread. But in an epic show of sporting prowess, proving bears are not as clumsy as they appear, the animal makes a killer move, nailing its lunch. A stray dog named Linda in the western Turkish province of Izmir comes to the same automatic car wash several times every week to use the touch-free machine for brushing. Linda waits for cars to enter the machine before positioning herself to get cleaned up with the strokes of the spinning scrubbers. The footage of Linda's auto-brushing sessions at a local gas station has gone viral on social media in Turkey. The incredible new footage reveals a female great ape using a saw to skillfully divide a branch in two. The talented ape uses her right paw to hold the tool and her toes to grip the tree branch like a vise. She even blows away the sawdust to inspect her work like a real craftsman. Apparently, she learned these skills by watching builders at work in the region. When she spots a robot orangutan copying her behavior, the great ape immediately becomes more animated. Sometimes we don't deserve some dogs. They're too independent for us. While sledding is one of many activities for people to enjoy during a snowstorm, it's not too often that we see a dog get in on that action with no assistance. Well, the 3-year-old Australian Shepherd named Secret isn't a typical dog. She can go sledding all by herself. Secret's owner shared this adorable video from a snowstorm, as the dog pulled a sled up a hill without help, jumped on it, and slid down the hill. This one would truly make a best friends. A crow is the internet's latest hero, and for all the right reasons. A video of the crow has left people with questions about human behavior and appreciation for the particular corvus. The video opens with the crow hopping from one dustbin to another, with a used plastic bottle in its mouth. Then the bird drops the bottle inside a waste bin and flies away. This seemingly simple act of the bird has created a stir among people. Just do the right thing. Place your comments on the right section below the video, hit like, and stick around. You may have seen monkeys playing. The sight is definitely fun to watch unless it turns terrifying with one monkey attacking the other. A video of 2 monkeys climbing down a building surfaced on the internet and left viewers amused. Netizens reacted with hilarious memes and jokes that will surely leave you laughing. The 10-second-long clip shared by industrialist Harsh Goenka on his Twitter handle is still running viral over the internet. Water is essential to a cat's health. Drinking enough helps your feline friend maintain healthy kidneys and supports the hydration of other organs. This beautiful ginger cat is not just a pretty face. It's also very smart, a veritable genius of the cat world. As you can see, the cat's owner recorded it as it did something amazing using its paw to open a tap and drink from it. The video clearly shows the adorable ginger rearing on its hind legs and drinking water like a boss. The cat can be seen using its right paw to steady itself against the dispenser, while reaching with its left paw to activate the dispenser's cool water tap. Just like humans, cats enjoy massages. A cat head massager can provide much needed comfort to your kitty. With 76 individual nodes and 3D deep kneading, it can imitate massage movements, such as scratching, grasping, pinching, and kneading. Look at this cat who is using a massage machine. Even you can try giving your kitty the ultimate spa experience by massaging their head with this amazing pampering tool. Your cat will think it is perfect. Although for some sensitive pets, it may take some time for them to get used to an electric masseuse. Crows are clearly the evil geniuses of the bird world. Years of exploring crow intelligence have revealed that these birds are terrifyingly smart. And now, new research confirms that crows understand a concept that most children don't: displacement. In the study, researchers left pieces of meat floating in long, narrow glasses. The crows not only figured out that they could add objects to the glass to bring the treats to them, but they also went for the food in glasses with the highest water levels first. During a trip to Bali, Vitali R decided to throw a few treats toward an orangutan. To his surprise, his newfound friend decided to repay him with a treat of his own. Orangutans are among the most intelligent primates. They use a variety of sophisticated tools and construct elaborate sleeping nests each night from branches and foliage. The ape's learning abilities have been studied extensively. They are able to identify objects, answer questions, and explain what they want to eat. So this video is a true evidence of the genius orangutan. Keep your thoughts coming in below the video and stay tuned. A family who was enjoying a safari ride in South Africa was taken aback when a lioness opened the door of their vehicle. It was as though the lioness wanted to go on a safari. It opens the door and pleads for a lift. This could happen to you on your next safari. Maintain a safe distance from wild animals, Nanda wrote while sharing the video. In it, the family can be seen observing a group of lions from a distance. A curious lioness walks up to the safari vehicle and opens the door, scaring the tourists inside. A YouTube video of a tortoise helping another get back on its feet has warmed the hearts of many, garnering nearly 2 million views. National Geographic asked David Steen, a turtle and reptile expert at Auburn University in Alabama, to weigh in on what's going on. These animals will ram each other and flip each other over, so it's not particularly unusual to see them engaging in this behavior. It looks altruistic, but it's just an extension of the same aggressive behavior that the animal exhibits. By eating cat food, this raccoons get a nutritional meal all in one place without the bother and hit or miss of dumpster diving or breaking into trash bins or leaving vulnerable offspring unattended to go in search of food. Not all raccoons will be friendly toward a cat, and if it wants the food, it will become aggressive in order to get it. If this is happening at your home, then try moving the cat and its food to a location where the raccoon cannot get to it, ideally indoors. In this video, there were some raccoons that had been chowing down on the kitty's lunch. The tiny 13-year-old doggo accidentally slipped and fell into the family swimming pool. Though he was able to keep himself afloat, he couldn't get out. If he were alone, he could easily have drowned. In footage from the pool, Jesse is seen trying to work out how to get Chucky out of the water without hurting him. And it's seriously the sweetest thing ever. What we don't see in this short clip is that it actually took Jessie 34 minutes to rescue him. She just wouldn't give up. Indeed, this is one genius animal in the world. If you saw your friend in such an embarrassing and hilarious situation, you would probably stand around laughing for a few minutes before finally relenting and helping the poor guy out. It seems the same rules apply in the animal kingdom. This cat was obviously curious as to what was in the bottom of this plastic container and promptly got its head jammed in there. After a brief moment of panic and walking backwards, his dog friend bounds in and delicately saves the day. Now you know how to treat your friends, but we've got more treats, so stick around. Described as Britain's politest cat, Shaquilla Jones filmed a cat in Cardiff, standing on its hind legs, with its front paws on the door handle. In the video, the cat reaches up for the knocker and lifts it several times before patiently waiting for someone to answer the door. The video has now gone viral with 1.8 million views and 11,000 shares since it was filmed. Cats can do amazing things. Among the thousands of comments posted online, someone wrote that cats' brains are very similar to humans. Another commented, "Hope they let him in. He's so smart, he deserves the door to open." According to a study done in recent years, cats actually have an IQ of approximately 7 to 10. Either way, these animals are smarter than you think. This particular one was filmed displaying human-like IQ. The pure animal genius in the funny animal video is trying to open the bottle to get treats. Research has shown feline intelligence to include the ability to acquire new behavior and apply knowledge to new situations, communicate needs and desires within a social group, and respond to training cues. This octopus got itself out of a closed jar by opening the lid. It actually doesn't seem to want to get itself out of the jar. This video was filmed by the folks at Enoshima Aquarium in Fujisawa, Japan. They've brought us some excellent videos such as these transparent eel larvae, this red batfish or starry handfish, and the internet classic time-lapse of a molting Japanese spider crab. Like crows, honey badgers, dolphins, orangutans, and so many other creatures in the animal kingdom, octopuses are seriously intelligent. The video, which first appeared on Facebook, shows Jerry the duck braving it against a Sumatran tiger jalur. This happened in the pond at the Symbio Wildlife Park in Sydney, Australia. The duck decided to give the tiger a tough time in the water, but unlike other wildlife videos, the duck proved to be the winner in this situation. The video shows the duck teasing the tiger by disappearing in the water often and reappearing behind the tiger where least expected. The fooling around lasts for almost 10 minutes, much to the entertainment of the viewers, before the tiger settles on a rock nearby in frustration. In the sunny paradise of Koh Samui, Paige gets a spa treatment no one could have predicted, courtesy of an elephant with some serious massage skills. As she's lying on another elephant, her new buddy steps up quite literally to offer a little trunk therapy. First, a friendly tap on the back with its trunk. Not bad, right? But then the elephant thinks, why stop there? And gently uses its trunk to give her a little extra massage. Who knew elephants had a side business as a massage therapists? Who would you like to give an elephant massage to? Share in the comments below and stick around until the end for more genius animals like this. The video of a monkey washing utensils just like a human while sitting outside a tea stall has taken the internet by storm. The video went viral across social media platforms and was first shared on Instagram by a page named Ganta with the caption, "Everyone gotta work hard." The video has a famous dialogue from a Bollywood movie. Towards the end, one can also see the monkey smelling the plate just to check if it's properly cleaned. A stingray that appeared to be laughing when tickled on its belly in a viral TikTok video is actually suffocating. A TikTok user posted the video of what appears to be a baby stingray laying on its back on a boat, as a person with gloved hands tickles the belly of the aquatic creature. In response, the ray, which is out of water, can be seen curling up its wings, opening its mouth, and forming a shape similar to a human smile. A video has gone viral showing a determined dog helping his owner push a stranded car out of heavy flooding in Glasgow. The clip shows the pup helping two women in distress after their vehicle was submerged in water following torrential rains. The water was waist-high on the dog named Puck as she performed the good deed. As the owner begins to push, the helpful pooch joins in and helps get the car unstuck. The vehicle then moves due to the tremendous effort of train driver Lori and her hero dog. You won't need much to train your dog to wait for food except time. It's best if you can train your dog while it is young, so place his food bowl in a location where he normally eats each meal. You will need his bowl and treats and some kibble for training. And for success, take the time to train and reward the dog frequently. Any dog in any household at any age can be taught to wait for his food, whether it's a treat or a meal. And this video is the perfect example of a dog with patience. This video from an unknown source shows an ingenious method to eliminate a rat infestation inside a wall. Just cut a hole through the drywall and sneak a snake inside. The panicking rats will flee through the hole. Amazingly, once it completed the task, the snake slides out the wall. Creepy, huh? I hope you are enjoying this video as much as we are. So hit like and notifications so you don't miss any cool vids. The video, which has over 4.5 million views on TikTok, was filmed by Nick Balistracci, the owner of Nick B Photos and the creative content coordinator for the Myrtle Beach Safari. He posted the video and photographs of two of the park's chimps flying an Autel robotics drone. No information as to the specific type of chimpanzees featured is given, but they could possibly be bonobo chimps. The bonobo chimps are an endangered member of the great ape family that is native to the forests of the Congo Basin. The black crow in the video became a real star mostly thanks to its antisocial habit. The bird steals money from people and then brings it to its owner in exchange for treats. The video with the crow is already a real hit on social media to date. It has garnered more than 1 million views on one of the Facebook pages, and many online users are enthusiastic about the useful talent of the crow. This post showed the chimp named Sugriva, according to Annal's caption, scrolling through pictures. It then taps on a video showing the animal leaping into the arms of Mike Holston. He is an American former professional football player who now posts videos of various exotic animals on social media under the moniker The Real Tarzan. The video highlighted the curiosity and adaptive nature of chimps, which share up to 99% of their DNA with humans, depending on how the comparison is conducted. This makes them our closest living relatives in the natural world. In an era where humans are losing faith in their leaders, a bird's excellent leadership is winning hearts on the internet. In a short video which surfaced on Twitter, a male turkey can be seen halting traffic to guide his group in crossing a rather busy road. The clip that has been viewed over 12.3 million times and left people impressed with the skill and valor of the leader birdie. Here we see crates of oranges on a roadside where two women are selling fruit. Then a dog approaches with a small basket in his mouth. As he gets closer, he gently taps the lady beside him so she can give him some space to buy oranges. Then the dog places the basket on the ground, and the shopkeeper puts some fruits in his basket. Once it's full, the dog picks it up with his mouth and goes away. Have you had your vitamins today? Don't go yet, cause we've got a few more cool videos. Handling the blade with ease and immense skill, this little crab scuttles around the sink trying to avoid its human opponent, who is teasing it with a much bigger knife. Doesn't sound so endearing now, does it? Marine biologist Molly Zaleski mentioned that the knife was almost certainly put in the crab's claw by someone who was tormenting it. People on Twitter have accused the person holding the knife of animal cruelty. This lovely big Kodiak is sitting by a fence waiting for a passing visitor to throw it some food. People sit in their vehicles and drive slowly past the animals. The creature likes waving and is seen here catching a slice of bread in a casual flick of the wrist. These bears have very cute facial expressions, which are created by their fur hanging over their eyes and noses. One particularly shrewd chimpanzee suddenly notices the shopping bag that the people around him are carrying. That's when he gestures in a manner so familiar to our own. There's no misunderstanding what it means. First he points at the bag and then confirms that he would like some of the bottled beverages that they show him. Then he gestures that there's actually a place where the people can pour some drinks through a hole in the screen. You've already seen the elephant giving a gentle back massage, but now meet this cheeky elephant who took things to the next level, giving a front message. This innocent girl approached the elephant to give its head a loving pat, but our mischievous elephant had other ideas. With a playful swipe of its trunk, it went for a spot a little too personal. The girl quickly dodged the trunk, but the elephant wasn't giving up that easily, making another playful attempt. The girl had no choice but to make a grand leap away from her overly curious friend. Maybe the elephant mistook her for a snack. After all, coconuts and watermelons do look pretty tempting. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're a single lady feeling a little lonely, don't worry. This chimpanzee is here to be your affectionate stand-in. Somewhere in a zoo in Thailand, this cheeky chimp has become quite the celebrity with his unique talent. When a girl approaches for a photo, the chimp playfully wraps his arm around her, posing like a true gentleman. But wait, it doesn't stop there. With a mischievous grin, he slides his hand a little too low, causing some girls to burst into laughter, while others quickly leap away in surprise. Regardless of how the girls react, the chimp seems totally committed to his routine, earning him fame and a lot of attention. One thing's for sure, this chimp definitely knows how to make an impression. Animals and birds are extremely intelligent creatures. Here's a video of a bird dropping a tiny food particle in the water as bait for fish. A few big fishes come closer to eat the food, but the bird suddenly picks it up and the fishes go away. Once they are gone, the bird drops the food particle again in the water but picks it up once more. The third time, a small fish comes to eat the bait instead, and the bird catches its preferred meal portion and devours it. When they feel threatened, mice can play dead until all danger is gone. There are over 30 species of mice out there. This one hilariously played dead whenever the cat tries to touch it. It doesn't move or make any sound, but when the cat goes away for a while, it looks in the cat's direction, tests the surroundings, then gets up and makes it escape. Have you ever seen an elephant grabbing a brush, dipping it in paint, and producing the results similar to something of 5-year-olds? The intelligence of elephants is comparable to that of primates. Meanwhile, their agile trunks allow them to use a range of tools to draw on paper. The distinction, however, lies in whether the elephant is painting on a whim or has been trained to do so. As you probably have guessed, the latter is most often the case. What do you think about all these animal geniuses? Who stole your heart? Let us know in the comments section. Like always, if you enjoyed it, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and leave us some love in the comments section. To keep up to date with all of our awesome videos, be sure to hit subscribe and turn your notifications on to never miss a thing. Until next time, do take good care of yourself.